What's up, you guys? Today's video is actually going to be repairing your tire. As you can see, I got a screw lodged in my tire, pretty deep in there. So what you want to do is go and buy you a tire repair kit. I got this one. Alright, you guys, so I got the repair kit open. I like this kit better than your average little small mini kits. We got a couple of things, you know, valves, got your multiple plugs. I got the lube, pliers, an extra insert tool. This is actually everything that it comes with it. I think it cost me like about 14 bucks. 14 bucks for a lot of fixes, actually. These are all the cord plugins. So let's get this puppy going. Let's see if we can get this up out of here, you know? Normally you'd want to take your tire off to be able to do this. I'm just gonna see if I can keep the tire on. Due to the angle that the screw is in, I'm possibly gonna be able to just repair it without taking the tire off. Lucky me. Everything's set up, so the first thing you want to do is take your pliers, remove the screw or nail. But before that, you like to do a little preparation. So what you want to do is get your little core plugins, fit it to the insert tool, and make sure that it's, you know, halfway, midway through the shaft. Got some lube right here. You're gonna lube up the tip, and then we're gonna pull that out, extract it, use the reamer. After we extract it, use the reamer, insert, pull out. Let's get it done. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. You want to pull it in and out a couple times. All right. Okay. Now you want to lube it up. A little bit of lube on there. All right. Now, technically, you want the cord to be out a little bit more than that, right? And then all you're gonna do is push this down, pull this out. It should work. I don't hear no more hissing, so hopefully that's a good thing. See, normally you'd want a little bit more of that hanging out. So we're just gonna let this sit for a minute, let it settle in. You could either cut it off, leave it on, the road will shave it down. Either or, but yeah. Boom, voila. All we gotta do is add some air in it, and it should be good. So the last step is airing up your tire. You wanna check your PSIs on your tire. Mine's a 51 PSI. We're just gonna add some air in, turn it off, and see if it holds pressure. So let's go. It's at 50. The PSI is 51, but we're gonna stop at 50. See if it holds the pressure. I'm probably gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back and see if it is at the same. Right on the 50. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, and it is in the exact same spot. So it looks like it's holding pressure. Looks like that worked. And that's that. Plug it. Cap back on. And voila. Fixed tire. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.